Hello guys, welcome back to Line App. For today's video, we're going to show you Agoda flight booking tutorial. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to agoda.com here and basically access the flights option. Now at the very top here, we have hotels, homes and apartments, flight, hotel, and flights. Now since we only want to book a flight here, let's go and click on flights. Now, from here, we want to specify a few things, like where we're flying from and where we want to go. Like, for example, we are flying from, let's just say, MNL, which is Manila, Philippines. Like, you go and choose the airport here. I'm going to choose this airport. And maybe I want to fly to Hong Kong. Now, obviously, this is just an example. You can go and choose which airport here. So let's go and choose this one. Now, you can go and choose your departure date here, which in this case, the date that you'll be flying. So, for example, I want to fly on the 17th of March here. Now you could go and specify how many people is flying right now. So I'm going to choose just one adult. But if you have additional, you can go and click on add additional one, or click on the minus here to reduce that. Like you go and choose either premium economy, business, or first. Let's go and choose the cheapest one here, which is economy. Once you've done that, let's go ahead and basically change a few things here. Now, in here, what we need to do next is we want to go ahead and basically, so we're going to update this, 17. Let's go ahead and choose this one, and let's go ahead and click on search flights. Now, once you've done that, it should show you all the available flights right now. So specifically on the 17th of March, you should be able to see different flights right now. So you have Philippine Airlines, Cebu Pacific, HK Express. Now this actually depends on where you're going to. So the flight and also the fees here are going to be different. Let's go and choose Philippine Airlines here for economy. As you can see, this is what we have right now. So the time of the flight and the arrival on that specific airport. But yeah. So in this case, you could go ahead and choose either stop. So we have filters to the left side here. You could go ahead and filter that further. So if you also want to add return, you could go and click on add return here. And you could go and choose the date as well at the very top here. So for example, I want to return on like Friday. And you could go ahead and specify the adults as well. Let's go click on done. And it's the same as well, economy. Let's go and click on search here to view our best options. Now from here, it should update the pricing here. It's still loading, so let's just wait for it. But yeah, let's go and choose this one. Let's go and choose for this one. Let's go and click on select. Now from here, we want to choose the departure to Hong Kong, which in this case, this is the returning flight that we need to book to return to where we came from. Like for example, I want to choose Philippine Airlines again. Let's go and expand this one. And go ahead and view the things that is included here. Like for example, the meals, layout here, Wi-Fi if it's available, but you need to pay for it. Let's go and click on select. Now, once you've selected that, it's now going to ask you to provide your passenger details. That includes your contact details and details of the passenger. Now, from then on, it's going to also start searching for add-ons for your flight. You can go and click on continue to add-ons here. Like for example, if you want to add upgrade your support level, like for example, you can go ahead and change service fees here. And also you have the premium here, which in this case, change service fees and cancellation service fees are waived. And also the priority assistance here is going to be the fastest for premium. So if you want to upgrade that, you can go ahead. Now, from here, you want to also specify if you would like to insure your trip. So you can either answer yes here or no. But in this case, just provide all the necessary details and just click on the continue payment here. Now, by the way, when you're entering details here, just make sure that they match the actual details that is on your passport. So if you've incorrectly entered your details here on the booking side, you won't be able to use your ticket or your flight details here. So they have the option to reject your onboarding. But yeah, so make sure all information is correct. But in this case, once you click on continue to payment, just proceed with payment, and you should be able to see, or you should be able to receive your confirmation email on your account. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to Line App. Thank you for watching.